Hi, I'm Jake Corning. I'm the product manager and mechanical engineer at ACETA. The FastLOAD CX1000 was developed to be very mobile, flexible, and to help out anywhere on the shop floor. It can be moved from machine to machine and works with nearly any brand of machine tool. The system is mounted on wheels, which makes it very mobile and easy to move from machine to machine on your shop floor without the need of a forklift or pallet jack. So once you're done using one machine, simply wheel the robot to the next machine, lock the wheels in place, and plug it in. This system uses a FANUC collaborative robot that has 4 sensors in the robot arm that will stop the robot if it comes in contact with an operator. After we have the robot in place, then we bring in the cart. There are many different cart and fixturing options available that can be easily located to the robot using this locking mechanism. That locks it securely into place. So one of our fixturing options is the pegboard. So dowel pins can be placed in the pegboard to locate your parts repeatably. And if your parts change, the pins can be moved for different diameters or positions, and it can be customized to your specific parts. But we also have a grid plate option that has square cutouts that can be used for cylindrical or square parts. One of the benefits of the FastLOAD CX1000 is how easy it is to switch out the grippers. With one click of a button, you can take the gripper off, and it's easy to swap it out with different gripper options. There are 3-finger and 2-finger gripper options available, and to put it back on, it clicks back on in seconds. We're utilizing an on-robot electric collaborative gripper, and this gripper is force limiting, so that it will not pinch an operator's finger in the gripper.
Setup is quick and easy with the drag and drop touchscreen interface.
Contact us today to learn more about the FastLOAD CX1000 by ACETA.